What's up guys, right here I have the perfect cloud couch that you're looking for. Hope you guys are doing well. My name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this Love Seat boneless cloud couch. Now this thing is exceptionally nice and it comes in a small box. So if you're looking for something that can fit through a door, go up apartment stairs, or just through tiny spots when you're moving and you don't have to lug around a big couch, this is something that I highly recommend. Now this is so nice. I ended up getting the gray. It does come in different colors, and what I love about it especially is it does come with pillows that you can move around. These are really soft and they're just filled with a nice foam, fluffy material. I love putting that behind my back and relaxing. It just feels so comfortable. Now with this couch, these cushions are actually attached and they're sewn to the actual couch itself, and that's going to be for the side and the back. And I think that's a good thing if you are laying on the couch and you are slouching on it, kind of moving downwards, you know that the cushions aren't going to fall or slide off. Now the back cushions are actually going to be removable. And again, they are super fluffy and nice. I absolutely love these, and they do have a nice cutout on the side so they fit the couch perfectly. This gray material is so soft and feels absolutely amazing on the skin. This Love Seat is the perfect size to just kick back and take a nap and relax on. It has such a good angle on the side of the armrest with this pillow that's attached. I could honestly sleep in here no problem. This would be the comfiest bed. If you have someone staying over your house, I guarantee you they wouldn't complain about sleeping and crashing on this amazing couch. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, good news for you is this couch actually comes in a 101 inch and also a 135, so you can make this thing huge for a movie night or just to fill out your house or room. These are going to be two separate pieces and they're very light, so you can move these around from room to room or shift them however you like, very easy and quickly. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. This cloud couch is absolutely beautiful, and as you can see here, it comes in one single box and you just have to open up the wrapping, be very careful, and it'll expand in about 24 to 48 hours and it'll take full shape. Now, as you can see here, this is going to be the full shape. This does have a couple wrinkles that it does have to work out on the sides, but overall, this looks amazing. I love the gray, and especially whenever the light from the window hits it, it just pops and looks amazing. This is going to have a super high density foam, and these pillows are very plush. As you can see me pushing down on here, so fluffy and nice, and these just feel absolutely amazing. This is going to be a high density foam down here, which is actually going to be very supportive and nice when you are sitting on this. As we move these adjustable pillows, you can see the backrest has a nice lean on it too, which is going to make you very comfortable when you're sitting on this cloud couch. This couch looks so fluffy and nice, you almost can't even tell that it's a boneless couch just from looking at it. If you're looking for a nice boneless cloud couch that's not going to take up much room, very lightweight, easy to move, and looks amazing, this is definitely the one that I recommend. Go and check it out for yourself, add it to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.